Dr. Sindhu, one of treating doctor here today. May I confirm your name and age, please? Nice to meet you, Mr. Abdullah. Have a seat, please. Yes, Mr. Abdullah, what brings you here today? Okay. Okay. I'm really sorry to hear about it, Mr. Abdullah. Understand it must be very stressful for you. Do you want to tell me more about it? Okay. Okay, so Mr. Abdullah, to better know your condition, I would ask you a few questions about your condition. Is it okay with you? Okay, so Mr. Abdullah, when did it started? Okay. Okay, so what exactly the problem with you? Your vision, like, okay, you can't see the faces exactly. Do you have problem with recognized faces? Okay. Okay, so do you have problem in reading? Okay, is this problem present in both eyes? Okay, in both eyes. Okay, so have you ever noticed that on waking up after sleep, a shadow appeared and then quickly faded away? Okay, it is, yeah. So have you ever noticed it starts in front of you? Okay, so have you ever noticed faces in front of you or with open eyes like Okay. Okay, so Mr. Abdullah, I would ask you a few personal questions, okay, to better know. So is it okay? Okay, so Mr. Abdullah, and do you have any addiction, like if you smoke? Okay. Do you have any disease like increased blood pressure? Okay, diabetes, high sugars. Okay, if there is immediate family member has the same problem. Okay, and are you taking any drugs prescribed by the doctor or over the counter? Okay. Okay, so Mr. Abdullah, to confirm my diagnosis, I will like to examine you. Okay, is it okay with you? Okay, so thank you, Mr. Abdullah, for for your cooperation. And here is a card. Okay, it is called as Amsler Grid. Okay, and if you are using your glasses, okay, and so you can wear glasses. And in this card there is a dot. Okay, you need to concentrate on center dot, okay, for 10 seconds, and while looking, be sure all lines are straight and clear. Okay, if you notice waves, distortion or blind spots in the lines, let me know. Is it okay with you? Okay, so Mr. Abdullah, kindly cover your right eye with glasses, okay, and concentrate on the dot for 10 seconds. Okay, if all lines are uniform, boxes are same, if there is any missed line, any wavy line. Okay, now Mr. Abdullah, kindly cover your left eye and concentrate on the dot for 10 seconds. Okay. Okay, so all lines are straight and clear. All boxes are same. No. Okay. Any missed line? Okay. Okay, so thank you, Mr. Abdullah, for your cooperation. Okay. So, Mr. Abdullah, let me explain to you that I think you have the condition. Okay, the history suggest and the examination performed examination is in the favor, like that you are most probably suffering from macular degeneration, as it is common in this age if people are aged 60 years. Okay, in this the inner layer of our eyeball is called which is called retina. Okay, where an object or image are formed. Okay, in macular degeneration, some yellowish lipids are deposited. They are called drusen, and some blood vessel gets disturbed. Okay, and forming scars results in irreversible loss of central vision. Okay, this is the reason you see dot. You can't see the faces clearly. Okay, is it if it makes sense to you? Can I repeat it for you? Okay. So, Mr. Abdullah, for that reason, I would like to offer you a referral to ophthalmologist for confirmation of diagnosis and early start of treatment. Okay. And he could give you, some monoclonal antibodies. Okay. And maybe an injection. Okay. And he will reassess you for further treatment. Okay, is it okay with you? Am I clear till now? Okay, so Mr. Abdullah, and there are some lifestyle modification you have to follow. Okay, like most importantly is smoking is making the disease progress faster. Okay, so try to quit. Okay, so that you can slow its progression. Okay, and I would suggest you some food supplements containing omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidant, and zinc. Okay, and these decrease progression by 25%. Okay, and take healthy diet like fruits, vegetables, fish. Okay. Okay, so Mr. Abdullah, is everything clear to you? Can I repeat all with you? Okay, so first, okay, let me summarize, Mr. Abdullah. So first, we talked about your symptoms. Okay, then secondly, we examined. Okay, I examined you. Okay, your right and left eye. Okay, and then thirdly, we talked about the macular degeneration. Okay, and fourthly, I talked about referral to the ophthalmologist for the confirmation. Okay, and lastly about the lifestyle changes. Okay, is it clear till now? Okay, so Mr. Abdullah, is there anything you want to ask me today? Okay, so Mr. Abdullah, and here, and I would also suggest you to use sun protection like sunglasses. Okay, and control your blood pressure. Okay, and walk for 30 minutes. Okay, and that's all. Okay. Here is a booklet. It includes all the information regarding your condition. I hope it will be helpful for you. Okay, so I'm referring to the ophthalmologist. Okay, and I wish you a speedy recovery. And I will be in contact with you. Okay, and take good care of yourself. Bye bye.